Today we are dealing with linear equations, and particularly with linear equations today we're going to be working with some word problems. I have written some few problems on this side, and you can forgive the spot, but it's slight refraction from where we're recording, so please forgive us for that. But we'll do our best to provide you quality workings, even though we don't have the quality recording. Let's look at number one quickly. So it says, if 28 less than 5 times a certain number is 232, what is the number? Now there are some key aspects here that one need to kind of take care of. If 28 less than, this shows that there's a minus sign here. 5 times, so we've got a 5 here. 5 times a certain number. So 5 times, of course, it's multiplying certain number. Certain number is unknown, right? So they say if 28 less than 5 times. So this, you must write it backwards. What do you mean? What do I mean by backwards? Is, okay, starting with is here. Is of course an equal sign. So we know that this is equal to 2, 3, 2. That's given. Now let's work this one backwards. Backwards in this way. 28. If 28 less than 5 times a number, so 28 will be here. Is less than 28 less than 5 times a certain number. That certain number can be x, is equal to 232. You have built your equation here from interpreting for the fact that, so this certain number is 5 times, right? 5 times, there is it. 28 is less than that. So 28 is less than this number, which is 5 times, right? So 5x minus 28 is equal to 232. The question is, what is that number? So solving an equation, you know that to keep your variables, your unknown variables on the left. So 5x what do we know about 5x? It's going to be equal to, right, what was here already. Then this goes to the other side, or you cancel this throughout. So which means that you'll be introducing, mathematically, you'll be introducing a concept of plus 28 both sides. Plus 28. That's what people mean by taking it over, because this will cancel this. So therefore that one went over to be positive. But some cases people omit this step and just believe that it just goes over the sign and it just over the equal sign and changes sign. It's not really mathematically accurate to say that. It's mathematically accurate to say that you're balancing your equation by getting rid of this minus 28 by adding a 28 to cancel each other. But what you do on the left, you do on the right. So take note of that. And then 5x is equal to the sum of 28 plus 232 will give you, of course, this is 2, that is 3 and 80, so that will give you 260. 32 plus 28, 60. 200, 260. Divide both sides by what is next to x. So you're dividing both sides by 5. And I would like to probably do that with a different color, just for the sake of understanding. Let's not assume that everyone will get this. So from here onwards, we've got 260. We brought this one down. We want to eliminate 5 times this number. So we eliminate it by dividing by it throughout. So we divide by 5. What you do on the left, you do on the right. That's what I did. I introduced the concept of divider. So you would know that 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times x is x. So x is equal to 260 divided by 5 is 52. So that certain number is 52. So the question was, what is that certain number? That certain number is 52. Look, this is not necessarily required, the following thing, but sometimes they can say prove or yes, prove or substantiate your claim. So you will go back to the equation, 5x, this original equation, minus 28 equals 232, right? So substitute x, 5 times is not this thing. X is written like this, times is a multiplication sign. X, what is the value of x? 52 minus 28 gives you, okay, so which means that 5 times 52, 5 times 50, that should be 260 minus 28, which is equal to 232. So 260 minus 28, 232 equals 232. So your left hand side equals your right hand side. You have proven your work. But what you were required to do was up until this stage. Sometimes an examiner would ask you to show your working, not necessarily show your working, but to prove your answer. So that's how you prove your answer. You substitute the value that you got from the original equation.